Chuck Norris, the martial arts legend and Hollywood icon, seems to have discovered the fountain of youth at 83 years old. Despite his age, he looks as if he's frozen in time at 45. With his timeless appearance and boundless energy, Chuck Norris has become a living legend, inspiring countless individuals to unlock the secrets to eternal youth. But how does he manage it? What's his secret? Chuck credits his disciplined diet and lifestyle centered around 5 essential foods that keep him youthful and feeling decades younger. American actor, screenwriter, martial artist, and producer Chuck Norris was born in Ryan, Oklahoma on March 10, 1940. He was raised in a rural environment and helped his family on their cotton farm, where he was taught the value of hard work. Values like discipline, resiliency, and tenacity that he learned in his early years helped to shape his legendary career. Chuck first gained fame in 1958 after joining the U.S. Air Force, where he discovered a love for martial arts. After training in numerous martial arts forms, he eventually earned black belts in Tang Soo Do, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, and Taekwondo. Hollywood recognized Chuck's martial arts prowess and gave him a breakthrough role in the 1968 film The Green Berets. Chuck Norris became iconic thanks to his distinctive performance in the 1993 to 2001 TV series Walker, Texas Ranger as Cordell Walker. He became an international celebrity after portraying the tough yet compassionate Texas Ranger, a role that resonated with viewers worldwide. However, Chuck's influence goes beyond the screen. He now represents determination, resilience, and eternal vigor. He still inspires millions of people with his commitment to martial arts, fitness, and general well-being at the age of 83. Chuck's legendary status spans generations, making him a true entertainment icon. Chuck Norris's remarkable physical condition at 83 isn't just luck. It reflects his disciplined workout routine and meticulous focus on his health. Despite his age, Chuck sticks to a demanding exercise regimen that helps him stay in shape. Chuck Norris maintains a well-rounded fitness regimen incorporating martial arts, cardio, and weight training. He concentrates on strength training on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays using the Total Gym, which utilizes body weight for resistance. He goes for quick walks or 20 minutes of cardio on an elliptical to complement this. On Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, Chuck incorporates martial arts training into his routine, which involves stretching, kicking drills, and practicing combinations on a heavy bag or with his wife, Gina. Chuck Norris maintains his health by incorporating a thoughtfully selected combination of vitamins and supplements alongside his consistent exercise routine. He includes a daily intake of a top-notch multivitamin probiotics to promote gut health, omega-3 fish oil for heart and inflammation management, and vitamin D to bolster the immune system and maintain bone health. Chuck Norris's age-defying appearance isn't just the result of intense workouts. It's further supported by a carefully curated diet that prioritizes nutrition and longevity. At 83, Chuck credits his youthful appearance and endless vitality to 5 essential dietary secrets. First, Chuck stresses the value of lean protein in his diet. He includes lean cuts of beef, tender chicken, and multiple kinds of fish to support muscle recovery and growth. He uses protein as the main component of his meals to stay strong and energetic. Chuck Norris also incorporates a range of fresh veggies like kale, spinach, and broccoli into his regular diet. These nutrient-dense greens provide crucial vitamins and minerals for general health and fitness. Chuck emphasizes nourishing his body from the inside out by including these veggies daily. Chuck also likes nuts and seeds, especially walnuts, chia seeds, and almonds. These compact yet practical snacks are a great addition to his diet because they are high in nutrients that promote energy and healthy fats. Chuck Norris also enjoys eating fruits, mainly berries, apples, and oranges, because of their natural sweetness and antioxidant value. These fruits fulfill his sweet tooth while providing vital vitamins and minerals, promoting his general health. Chuck also ensures he stays hydrated throughout the day by drinking a lot of water. acknowledging water as the elixir of life. He knows its vital role in preserving the best possible health and energy. By adhering to these 5 dietary principles, Chuck ensures he provides his body with the vital nutrients it requires to flourish. His dedication to a well-rounded and nutritious diet plays a pivotal role in his capacity to defy aging and sustain his youthful appearance even in his 80s. On top of his everyday meals, Chuck Norris has a special snack recipe passed down by his grandmother that he relies on to keep his vitality and energy levels high. This mystical blend includes walnuts, almonds, raisins, plums, dried apricots, lemon, carbonate, and honey, all blended to make a nutritious and tasty treat. Chuck enjoys a teaspoon of this unique mix daily, attributing it to the secret sauce that helps him stay resilient and energized. Moreover, Chuck Norris's approach to his workout routine goes beyond the exercises. It emphasizes efficiency and adaptability. With age, Chuck has transitioned to concise, targeted workouts, prioritizing quality over quantity. His routine involves body weight exercises such as push-ups and squats, and practices like yoga and tai chi to sustain flexibility and balance. Swimming also plays a crucial role, offering low-impact cardiovascular benefits without straining his joints. Chuck's fitness philosophy revolves around tuning in to his body and challenging himself slightly beyond his comfort level. He stresses the significance of consistency and commitment, recognizing that consistent, small efforts can result in notable enhancements over time. By integrating his special snack into a purposeful and effective workout regimen, Chuck guarantees that he sustains his youthful vitality and strength even as he enters his 80s. Chuck Norris has an age-defying lifestyle that embraces physical fitness, mental health, and inner calm. Though he is known for being an action hero and martial arts expert, Chuck places considerable importance on a Zen approach to wellness that promotes composure, mindfulness, and resilience in the face of difficulty. For Chuck, stress isn't something to be conquered, but rather a wave to ride. He knows how inner serenity can boost one's external fortitude, enabling him to meet obstacles in life with resolute determination and strength. Chuck creates a sense of clarity and peace in every aspect of his life. By using techniques like breathwork and visualization, Chuck incorporates the Zen idea into his physical training routine. He approaches every workout with focused intent and a clear head, maximizing the most of each exercise to maximize its advantages. Chuck avoids burnout and makes consistent progress in his fitness goals by paying close attention to his body and respecting its limits. Chuck emphasizes healthy relationships and getting enough sleep outside the gym because he recognizes these things are essential for maintaining mental and emotional stability. He understands that living a long and fulfilling life requires a robust body and a solid mind. The impact of Chuck Norris transcends age, inspiring individuals across generations. Though his age-defying lifestyle may appear extraordinary, its fundamental principles are remarkably attainable for everyone. Chuck's emphasis on consuming whole foods, incorporating regular physical activity, and embracing mindful living can be adopted by anyone aspiring to enhance their health and well-being. His commitment to cultivating healthy habits is a guiding light for those seeking to overcome age-related limitations and pursue vibrant lives. It's crucial to recognize that Chuck Norris can access resources and assistance others might not have. He benefits from a team of professionals who assist with his intense training routine and monitor his overall health. Although Chuck's wellness philosophy can inspire all of us, it's essential to prioritize our personal needs while setting realistic goals. Chuck Norris's lifestyle serves as motivation rather than a rigid template for imitation. We can strive for better health and well-being while honoring our particular circumstances if we apply elements of his approach that fit our resources and capabilities. Ultimately, Chuck Norris's impact comes from his motivation to individuals worldwide. he demonstrates that age is merely a number and that a steadfast commitment to healthy habits can pave the way for a vibrant and fulfilling life, regardless of age. So while we may not all be roundhouse kicking our way into our 80s with six-pack abs, we can undoubtedly channel Chuck's spirit of resilience and commitment to living life to the fullest. Chuck Norris's incredible journey of defying age and staying in peak physical shape at 83 is a source of inspiration for people of all ages. His unwavering dedication to a healthy lifestyle, disciplined workout regimen, and positive outlook exemplify the keys to longevity and vitality. By following Chuck's example and embracing resilience, determination, and commitment, we can all aspire to live our fullest lives regardless of age. Let's take a cue from Chuck's playbook, adopt his principles, and embark on our path toward health, happiness, and timeless vitality. After all, if Chuck Norris can do it, so can we. If Chuck Norris's age-defying secrets have inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more content like this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends to spread Chuck's timeless wisdom. Let's unlock the secrets to vitality together and embrace our full potential. Remember, age is merely a number. We can all achieve our version of timeless vitality with the right mindset. Thanks for watching.